Taoiseach some advice? Could you give the Taoiseach some advice? Ireland is in the midst of a housing crisis now, and I know you've a lot of experience as a businessman. How can the state build tens of thousands of houses at speed?
You know why they have a housing crisis? Because they're doing so well. They can't produce houses fast enough. That's a good problem, not a bad problem.
That's a very good answer, President.
Congratulations. No, it's true.
Will you put more tariffs on the EU, Mr. President? Mr. President, will you?
Everybody should have that problem. That's okay.
Will you put
They're
more
gonna
tariffs
do-
on the EU?
I know this gentleman. He'll get it solved. Brian? Brian?
Yes, thanks.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulate you on your lower inflation core rates.
Thank you.
Gas prices going down, airline prices going down. This is for the Irish gentleman here, if I can see him real quickly. Welcome, United States. You look great.
Thank you.
Nice suit.
Now you feel good. He knows.
President
coming
Trump
next?
ran on MAGA, Make America Great Again. If you could run on MEGA, Make Ireland Great Again, what would your number one issue be for people in Ireland right now to make your country stronger? And then I've got a two-part question to that as well.
Yeah. The number one issue in Ireland is housing, to be honest, and I think it was correctly pointed out. We've got to build more houses. We've got to build them faster to give the young people of Ireland an opportunity to afford to buy a house or to afford to rent a house. We have a lot of other good things happening. That's my number one priority.